Welcome back to Snowdonia Antiques. We are in the playpen after having 10 wonderful, fantastic days off with the kids running around the place through the summer holidays. I'm back in it again and I've come straight into it and hitting it head on. Now, what we have here is a Victorian Bach chair. Okay, I mean, it's nice enough, does the job, but unfortunately, it's got a poorly leg, as you can see there. Now, I would stand it up, but it'd probably fall over. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold the camera like this and you can see it this way around. As you can see, the joint is blown here. Okay? There's the joint. And unfortunately, it's been done before. So, not by us, by somebody else. And when they've done the job, they've done the very best that they possibly can. I'm pretty much knackered the job up. So what we have to do is just dismantle this whole front section here, round there, okay? Take all this studding off and then create magic with this. See, chairs are load bearers. The job of a chair basically is to take the weight. When you sit on it, the joints are all put in place and they're all solid, so when you do sit on it, it doesn't wobble from side to side and you don't fall over and hurt your bum. So what we have to do is put this back to the way that it should be. You can see somebody's put a nice, wonderful little screw in there. So that's going to be fun, chopping all that out. We could turn a new leg and make a complete new leg for it, okay? But it's not cost effective to do that, not for the chair anyway. So what we have to do is to put this right, get it all sorted out, and make it so it's solid, okay? Now, the way that we do it, not quite the same as everybody else does it. We do it with a few little handy hints and techniques that we've used over the years, but by the time it's been finished with and you come to sit on it, you won't know that there's anything wrong with it. No, we don't put steel rods in like I've seen before. It's done properly. So follow the piece, watch this space, and then see what we can do. Okay. Right. In the meantime, have a fantastic day. Happy Monday to everybody. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. snowdoniaantiques@gmail.com. Or if you want to look at the website, www.snowdoniaantiques.co.uk, or you can follow us on Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, or any of this other type of gubbins that we're on. In the meantime, wish me luck. Take care.